students to ever their hidden talent in different areas. Therefore, I founded an organization called SHARK and decided to organize a talent hunt event to choose the best among the best that have the same fate as SHARK possess. This event will witness some real genius and stormy brain competing with each other in different arenas such as science, IT, quiz, fashion, SPLB, Math Olympiad, etc. And the name of the competition is Be Sharkians. And these Sharkians will later compete with other international students. To organize this event, I passionately appeal you all to come forward and donate generously.